Hello and welcome everyone, Baron here. In today's experiment we're gonna make some soap bubbles, but not any soap bubbles, we're gonna make strong soap bubbles. For that we'll need some glycerol, also called glycerin, and could be bought at your pharmacy shop. We'll add some of that here. Then we will fill in some dish soap as well. Maybe a bit more. We will also add some water. Mix it together. Something like this. Now we will take a pipette and we will cut it, and that we're gonna use to blow the bubbles. I'm gonna put on some gloves, some soft gloves. This is cotton gloves. We will start to blow some bubbles. As you can see here, it's quite resistant. It's a very strong bubble. We can bounce it around a few times anyway. Gonna blow one more time here. You can see it burst. It doesn't work all the time. Maybe it was too big and heavy. This works better. It's a really strange feeling to bounce a bubble. You're so used to it being burst very easy when touching it. It works better if you clean the gloves between. And while we have glycerin, we're also gonna make bubble in a bubble. We can actually go through the bubble with a straw because it's stronger. We can blow another bubble. What I did was to have a plate and I pour the mixture there. You could actually do quite many in. I just gonna try to make one more, maybe two. No, it's not that easy. Try to go to the edge all the time. You get the point. This is a fun thing you could do just to see how many bubbles you could do. You could have competition. Yeah, that's actually all for today. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe and have a great week.